So today we will learn about uh, Reynolds number and how to calculate it. So Reynolds number, it's the ratio of inertial to viscous forces. We are calculating it by multiplying density by velocity by diameter all over viscosity, and it determines if the flow is laminar or transitional or turbulent. It's a very important number. And for laminar flow, Reynolds number is normally below 2300 for the smooth flow. Transitional flow, it's normally in an unstable region, and the Reynolds number between 2300 and 4000. And for turbulent flow is chaotic flow with it is, so it's above 4000. The mass conservation, it's mass in equal mass out. Volume of flow rate, it's the volume of fluid passing per unit time, and it's the area multiplied by velocity. Mass flow rate, it's mass of fluid passing per unit time, and it's density by area by velocity. It's always conserved. And maximum velocity for laminar, the maximum velocity is 2 multiplied by average velocity, and turbulent it's nearly 1.2 for multiplied by average velocity. So I put the details here, the values for inlet 1 and inlet 2 and the outlet, and like I put the diameter, velocity, density, and viscosity. Then I calculated the area. The area, we are calculating it pi over 4 multiply by diameter, square diameter as here, and Q1, the volume flow, it's velocity multiplied by the area. Mass flow, it's density multiplied by the volume flow. And at the end, I got the Reynolds number 2700. And based on our definition here, this is in transitional flow. So we got here transitional, and we calculated the maximum velocity. The maximum velocity for it is 0.6 here for turbulent, and we did the same for inlet 2, and we get this number for Reynolds, it's 5000. So based on our definition here, it's above 4000, so that means it's turbulent definitely. And the maximum velocity 0.6, and for the outlet, because we are mass is it's conserved, so we are calculating, we are summing the masses, and similar here because we have semi fluid, and this is the number we got it, 6000. And of course the outlet pipe diameter, it's equal to the pipe diameter in the 2. We didn't change the diameter for the outlet. So we got 6300. The region is turbulent, and the velocity maximum 0.771. And here as at the end we have this comparison between the inlet, 2 inlets and 1 outlet, and here is the Reynolds number for each. So we have transitional here, turbulent. And we get like the velocity in ANSYS, like by using ANSYS 0.9, and that's okay for it. So we are very close to the theoretical value. And that's all.